Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. Look at this question. Yeah, it's a tough one. And efficacy said 97% did this math problem. So without the use of calculator, simplify the cube root of 1 plus under it the cube root of minus 7 plus the cube root of 1, then minus the square root of minus 7. So how do we simplify this without the use of calculator? So let's go step by step. Let's take our solution. So this first thing we're going to do here is to do a simple substitution. We're going to take our x to be something to represent the whole of this expression here. Let's say let x, okay, equal to, um, let's take it to be the whole of the first expression, which is cube root of 1 plus the square root of minus 7, then plus the cube root of 1 minus square root of minus 7. Okay, so here we are saying let x be this. Okay, so if x is equal to the whole of this expression, now we know that the square root of minus 1 is equal to I, right? So if the square root of minus 1 is equal to I, then let's break it here. So this is going to give us our x now be equal to the cube root of 1 there plus our I root 7. Then this other side, same thing. We have here 3, then 1 minus our I root 7. Okay. So with what we now have here, we can let's label this 01 equation 1. Let's give this equation 2 and take this as our equation 1. So from here, we have to do another simple substitution again. So from here, we want to say let A be the whole of this and B be the whole of this. So again, we want to do a second phase of the substitution. We'll say let A be equal to the cube root of 1 plus I root 7. So if we are saying A should be equal to this, if we want this expression to be exposed, we have to take the cube of both sides. And so this will give us in turn that our a to the power of 3 will now be equal to 1 plus our I root 7. So we bring another alphabet to represent this. And so we're going to use the closest alphabet, which is B. Okay, so the closest alphabet to A is B, will now be equal to the cube root of our 1 minus I root 7, which is equal to our B to the power of 3 equal to 1 minus our I root 7. So we can rewrite the whole of equation 2 with this expression we have here. Therefore, we now have equation 2 now could be written as our x. Equation 2 now implies that x is equal to A plus our B. Okay, so if we have this as our A plus our B, let's give this our equation 3. Now let us cube equation 3. So if we cube equation 3, this is going to give us x to the power of 3. This is equal to A plus B all raised to the power of 3. So if we use binomial expansion to expand it, it's going to give us our x to the power of 3 is equal to A to the power of 3 there plus our 3a squared times b plus our 3ab squared plus our b to the power of 3. Bring this and this together. So this is going to give us our a to the power of 3 plus our b to the power of 3 there plus we can factor 3ab from here. So here we now have 3ab bracket. What we are left with is a here plus here b close bracket. So we now have therefore our x to the power of 3 is equal to our a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3 plus 3ab bracket a plus b close bracket. Let's give this equation 4. Okay, you now see the reason why many people fail this math challenge, because it is not really simple as you may think. All right. Now, from this equation we have here now, if we look at our equation from our a to the power of 3 and b to the power of 3 equal to this and this, if we add the two together, what happens? This and this will leave. We are now left with 1 plus 1. And so, if we substitute, okay, let's go ahead and substitute direct and see what this gives us. So, from here, what is our a to the power of 3? Look at it here. We're going to have here 1 plus I root 7 plus our b to the power of 3. Look at it here. Is 1 minus our I root 7. Then plus, again, if we look at our 3ab, our ab is this, which is this. If we multiply these two together, we are going to come up with just 2. But let's just go ahead and do that. So here we have here 3 into our a is cube root of our 1 plus I root 7. Okay, then times our b is the same cube root of our 1 then minus I root 7. Okay, good. Yeah. All right, so we close this, the bracket. What is our a plus b? A plus b is equals to x. Look at it here. Okay, our a plus b is equals to x. Okay, from here rather. Okay, so if you look at it, a plus b is equal to x. So we can put x in this column here. So here we have this to be our x. Easy. Now let's simplify it now. So if we simplify it completely, this and this will leave. So we're now left with 1 plus 1, which is our 2, then plus here. If we carry out the simplification here, because this is cube root and this is cube root, then we're going to come up with our 8. And the cube root of 8 is 2. And so we're going to have 2 times 3. Our 3, so we have here 3 times our 2. Then times our x we have in here. So this will end up giving us 2 plus our 6x. On this side, we have our x to the power of 3. So let's draw this arrow down. Okay. Now let's move all terms to this side of the equation. So we're going to have here x to the power of 3 minus 6x minus 2. This is equal to 0. So from here, I was a bit stuck, but I had to use the graphical method. So when I use the graphical method, I got my 3 solutions to this top radical equation. And the 3 solutions are x1 is equal to have minus 0.3398 and our x2 gave me minus 2.261 8 and the last one, which is x3, happens to be a positive value, which is 2.6016 So these are the 3 solutions to this top radical equation so far. So without the use of the calculator, this is how you simplify this wonderful mind brain cracking radical equation. So if you gain something from this short video, then give the video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. When you subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching Math Pro.